is CNN Breaking News.
Good evening, all. This is CNN with breaking news. A station located in Fort Worth, known as WTTFTV-13, has recently been hijacked by an anomalous source known as the Lurker. Viewers have caught this on TV. Note that this could haunt some viewers. Viewer discretion advised. The station then went to static, then back to its normal programming. We have the head of operations of that channel, Jay Siller, on the line. Jay, what are your words about this hijack?
First of all, thank you for putting me on the air for this matter. Second of all, yes, our station was hijacked just after our weather forecast and our normal operations. Just out of nowhere, our equipment got hijacked by, as you said, an anomalous source known as the Lurker. At this time, we are working closely with the Fort Worth PD to hopefully get this so-called Lurker out of our station. And I would like to apologize for the recent hijack there once again. And, well, let's hope this situation doesn't get any worse. Thank you once again for having me on the air. It feels like an honor to be on CNN, national television.
There you have it, everyone. It seems Fort Worth has got an early Halloween scare. Us here at CNN recommend you to not trust any false information you see during a hijack. This is Scarlett Davidson, CNN.
Would you like some hair buckle bears? Ooh, I love these. The longer I chew it, the fruitier and fruitier it gets. These are the most bestest bears ever. It would not be hard to tackle a gold bear because they're tiny. I'm gonna sit this one out. It tastes too good.
If you are seeing this message, your channel has been hijacked. Please tune to another station. If you are seeing this message, your channel has been hijacked. Please tune to another station. If you are seeing this message, your channel has been hijacked. Please tune to another station.
following message is transmitted at the request of the Utah State Police and the Green City Police Department. A child is missing, and the Utah State Police need your help. Henry McCain, a 13-year-old white male, 5 feet 6 inches tall, weighing 100 pounds, with black hair and brown eyes has been kidnapped. McCain was last seen at 1700 Alliance Street wearing a black turtleneck, black Nike sweatpants, and blue Nike Air Force Ones. The suspect is unknown at this time. The Green City Police Department believes this child is in grave or immediate danger. Contact 911 if you have any information.
Feels like magic. Now I believe I can have it. Ooh, ooh, Tamu. Ooh, ooh, Tamu. All of my wishes came true. Shop like a billionaire. Shop like a billionaire. Ooh, ooh, Tamu. Ooh, ooh, Tamu.
Download the Temu app and shop like a billionaire.
The following message is transmitted at the request of the Green City Police Department and the Green City Emergency Management Agency. This is not a test. Residents of Green City, close and lock your doors immediately. The creature, now known as the Lurker, has been reported to kidnap every resident outside of their homes. Due to this, the Green City Police Department has initiated the following procedure. All residents are to remain indoors, regardless if it is an emergency. A specialized team has been deployed and will arrive in the city to hopefully terminate this creature. Repeating, residents of Green City are to lock their doors and do not go outside regardless if it is an emergency.
Never wanted to be this way. I'm stuck now. Only way out is through this shit. KLNV.
This is CNN Breaking News.
We interrupt regular programming. This is a national emergency. Important instructions shall follow.
The following message has been given authorization to broadcast on all stations at the request of myself, the United States Department of Civil Defense, the Federal Emergency Management Agency, and the United States federal government. At approximately 1:05 p.m. Central Standard Time, it seems, the anomaly responsible for the multiple kidnappings across the central and mountain United States has taken approximately 92,000 residents. States like Texas, Utah, Oklahoma, Colorado, Arizona, New Mexico, Arkansas, and Louisiana have lost roughly 10,000, 15,000, 20,000, 17,000, and 30,000 residents, respectively. At this time, with the continuing kidnaps and missing persons reports being issued across the U.S. and the potential for it to spread to the north, the United States government has enacted the following procedure. With residents being taken from this entity immediately after stepping outdoors, a mandatory national shelter-in-place order has been issued for the continental United States. Absolutely no one is allowed outdoors for the duration of this emergency. If your loved ones go outside, I regret to inform you, your loved one is as good as dead. Once again, absolutely no one is allowed outdoors for the duration of this emergency. I'd like to assure you, my fellow Americans, we will make it through the storm. At this time, that is all that I am authorized to say. God bless you, and may God bless the United States of America.
You are listening to NOAA, All Hazards Radio, the voice of the National Weather Service, station KEC 55, serving the Dallas-Fort Worth listening area. The current time is 3:01 p.m. Central Standard Time. Due to an active national emergency, this NOAA weather radio station has ceased its broadcast cycle until the emergency ends. Emergency alerts related to this national emergency will only broadcast.
The following message has been given authorization to broadcast on all stations at the request of myself, the United States Department of Civil Defense, the Federal Emergency Management Agency, and the United States federal government. At approximately 1:05 p.m. Central Standard Time, it seems, the anomaly responsible for the multiple kidnappings across the central and mountain United States has taken approximately 92,000 residents. States like Texas, Utah, Oklahoma.
The following message is transmitted at the request of the United States Department of Civil Defense, the Federal Emergency Management Agency, and the United States government. This is an official all-clear message. The entity, known as the Lurker, has disappeared. The abducted people have been returned home. The national emergency has been lifted. The government thanks you for your cooperation. Repeating. All clear. The government thanks you for your cooperation.
Good evening, everyone. This is TechnoFanatic. Sorry if I sound a little tired. Currently already tired after making this here analog horror / EAS scenario. I'd like to say thank you for joining me on this adventure. Thank you for also giving me support and us being at about 80 subscribers. I really do hope we hit 100 subscribers by the end of the year, or by this Christmas. I can have a Christmas special and a 100 subscriber special for that. And overall, just thank you all. Thank you for just hanging in with me on this adventure. I love you guys so much. Hope you folks are doing well. This is TechnoFanatic, signing out. Also, got a little outro for what's to come in 2025. Take a look.